Shine and protect, why washing your car matters. Welcome to our video on the importance of washing your car. Our recommendations for car wash products can be found in the description below. Regular car washing is more than just about keeping your vehicle looking good. It plays a crucial role in protecting your investment and ensuring its longevity. Your car is exposed to various environmental pollutants daily, such as dirt, dust, bird droppings, and tree sap. These contaminants can damage your car's paint if left unattended. Regular washing helps remove them, preventing long-term harm to your vehicle's exterior. Maintaining a clean car also helps preserve its value. A well-maintained vehicle has a higher resale value compared to one that's neglected. By regularly washing your car, you're protecting its paint, preventing rust formation, and keeping it in top condition. This enhances its market value when it's time to sell or trade it in. Furthermore, washing your car promotes safety. A dirty car with mud or grime on its windows, mirrors, or headlights can significantly impair visibility, especially during bad weather. By keeping your car clean, you're ensuring clear visibility, reducing the risk of accidents, and promoting safer driving for you and others on the road. In conclusion, regular car washing is essential for maintaining the appearance, value, and safety of your vehicle. So, make it a part of your routine to keep your car clean and protected. Our recommendations for the best car wash products can be found in the description below. Subscribe to our channel for more car care tips. If this video was helpful, please like and share the video.